Okay, for the last one we're going to talk about right now, we've already covered substitutions and insertions. Now we're going to talk about deletions. Okay, if you look at deletions, what word do you notice? It tells you right again what we're doing. We're just deleting a base. We're just cutting it out. Somehow when we're copying it, we just accidentally overlooked it, and now we've lost one. So let's go ahead and get our sequence of DNA up here and see what that looks like. So we have C, G, T, A, C, G, T, T, A, G, C, T. 3, 3, 3, 3. Great. So we're good. And so we're going to say with our deletion, all that's going to happen is we're going to get rid of one. So I'm just going to say we're going to scribble the space out and say you don't matter anymore. Well, it does matter. It's really important because once again, it's going to cause a frame shift. We talked about this word last time. What a frame shift does is it's going to shift our reading frame. So let's go ahead and walk through that. So our initial reading frame before the deletion, let's use this in purple. Our initial one would have been 1, 2, 3. Here's one. 1, 2, 3. Here's one. Let me erase that so we can hold it a little bit higher. Okay, so I put that here. Putting it here, 1, 2, 3, put it here and put it there. But now that I have my deletion, my changes happen. So it's 1, 2, 3. There's a stop, 1, 2, 3. There's a stop, 1, 2, 3. There's a stop, and these guys are left over again. Okay, we've shifted everything. It's shifted down as opposed to with an insertion where we moved everything forward. And so once again, this is going to mess up all of our proteins. We've walked through the central dogma several times. So you should know how to go from this, our DNA, to our RNA, and from our RNA to our protein. I would strongly encourage right now you take a moment and you walk through the sequence. Okay, go ahead and first change into RNA. We know this isn't RNA because that's T's right here. So change it into RNA and then change it into proteins, both before and after the deletion. And what you'll see is every single protein got messed up. I want to clear this one more time and just make one last point, and we'll make this video nice and sweet and short. So let's say my sequence was T, A, C, G, T, A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I just made that one up. Up to this point, we've been doing most of our changes up in here in our first codon. But let's say we didn't do our deletion till down here and we deleted this one. That's only going to mess up everything from this point down. All of this stays nice and happy. Okay, because it hasn't changed at all. It's only down here where our reading frame gets shifted. So pay attention because it's only things downstream from the mutation that change. So this was a much quicker video, but I hope you remember it. Once again, our 3 mutations are substitutions. This is a point mutation where we change one base. We did deletions in this one, and this is a frame shift. I'll just write the word frame, so it's a frame shift. And we also had, let's see, insertions. And this is also going to copy a frame shift one, changes our reading frame for downstream. Great work.